You wanna show the receipt, expose someone, or you just accidentally deleted an Instagram conversation. In this video you'll learn how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. And you also learn why nothing you delete on Instagram is permanently deleted, which is pretty interesting. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, look here, a cup of coffee cause you're awesome. And second, look down there, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab for free in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you are new, with bell notifications. This is a no BS tutorial. Okay, let's say that you're on Instagram, right? And by mistake you somehow click the delete message, right? We have a message from someone, it says K, and when we click here, click on more, click on delete, it's deleted, right? If we go ahead and search the name, we try to search for that person's name, and we go ahead and click the message button right here, the message that he sent us is now deleted, it's gone. So can we actually recover that message in that conversation, or is it gone forever? Well, the good news is that you can actually recover the Instagram messages, and the way to do that is the following. You click the three dashes, right, the three dots, whatever, right here, you click on settings, then you click on security, and from here you have this option, access data and download data. You click this option, download data, and you can go ahead, click request, download, it will ask for your password, and it will be sent to the email that you have right here. From there you have an email that will have the title of something like your Instagram date. You go ahead, go on the email, click on it, log in on Instagram, and you receive a few files that you can download. The first file is the most important one. What you do with the first file is you copy it, and with it you go on this website, insta-recovery.com. You can see it here on my phone that I'm on it, and it says read your Instagram messages in 2 easy steps. So we already got the data, so now we just gotta click here, click on browse, and add the file. Maybe you have it if you downloaded the stuff from your phone. Now with the new iOS features you have it on your phone, and then when you actually upload it you just click show messages, and you actually see a simulation of the Instagram app that has your DMs, and you can just click on the DMs the same way you would normally and read through them. It's that simple. Okay, maybe it's not that simple, but it's doable, and if you really need to do it, this is the only way you can do it. And this is a very conscious fact, right? It opens your mind that none of your data is actually deleted when you delete it. All of it is accessed, your photos, posts, comments, likes, all of that is actually collected from Instagram, and with those zip files that you got, it can be read with the right type too. So if a hacker is to actually get access to your account, he can get a lot more stuff than you would actually want. But you know what? I can shout you out in one of my next episodes. All I want from you is to comment your Instagram username down below and what your Instagram account is about, and I'll shout you out, as I said, in one of the next episodes. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. Now,